everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a first impression review and swatches of the Soph Does Nails Times Revolution eyeshadow palette. And I'm a bit late onto this, but I got it for Christmas and I'm so excited. This is the look I've done with it. So carry on watching, and this is probably the most best palette I've ever used. Like genuinely, the colours, like when I thought this I was like it's going to be good. Like I know it's going to be good because of reviews, but I didn't think this good. I mean look, oh my god. Right. Anyway, I have a bit of a problem because when I get makeup boxes, I cut them up straight away because I display them and in my desk. So it's cut up the box, but we still got it, like, to look at. Anyway, this palette has 24 eyeshadow colours in it, and it is 24 times 1.1 grams. I don't know what that means. It means nothing to me. Okay, right, I'm going to read out the, up. So it's called the Soph Times Revolution palette, and it has the most gorgeous packaging like in the world. It's rose gold, and her video tells you all about like the shades and what they mean, but there's so many shades, and this is the palette here. Quick thumbnail picture. These shades will have like meanings behind them. They're so cute. I love rosewood because Pretty Little Liars, and I think pink champagne still with Ariana Grande. I'm not sure though, don't quote me on that. Right, so I'm going to read you the ingredients of the palette. Mica, talc, magnesium stearate, paraffinium liquidum, ethylexyl palmitate, polybutene, silica, dimethicone, kaolin, propylparaben, and lastly methylparaben. Sorry, I'm not good at reading these out. And it's 12 months, but you can use it way longer than that because no one stops using them like I did in my last one. And it's made by Tam Beauty, like distributed by Tam Beauty. And this, I don't think is vegan. Is it vegan? Is it cruelty free? No one will know. Well, you probably will know. Shut up, Summer. Yes, it was developed in London. And yeah, she's the best YouTube ever, basically. Is it cruelty free? I don't think so because it usually says it at the back, don't it? Anyway, I'm going to be doing swatches and everything like that, and then also I'm going to be describing the shades to you, and then shut up Summer, I'm going to be doing my first impression review. So first of all, I think you should buy it 100%. This is the best palette ever. I'm sorry I'm not doing brush swatches because I just cannot be bothered, and brush swatches annoy me because they always turn out crap even if the product is good. But I'm going to be doing each row, and there is 5 in a row. Nope, I'm clearly got something wrong with me. There's 6 in a row, and I've just put that there because there's a mirror. Also, the mirror is amazing. But yeah, this is my arm. Great arm. First of all, we have the shade Penguin, which is just a complete white shade. Do you know what? That's pretty. That's actually alright for a white shade. I mean, I'm pretty close to the shade of white, so it's not really going to show up. Now we have Pancakes. 1, 2, 3. Hello. This is like a really pale nude, and it's actually alright, but it's literally the same colour as my skin, so it's hard to say. Now we have shade Fairy Lights. This is a shimmer. Oh, that's nice. It won't show it glistening. Oh, that's better. Yeah, that's really good. And then we have shade Pink Champagne. This is one I used in my look. It didn't actually show up as purple as it does in the palette. I was a bit disappointed with this, but it doesn't swatch that great. And I was a bit disappointed because it was a lot less pink than it looked. No, a lot less purple in the palette. Now we have the shade Iced Coffee. Another matte. I really love that shade, that's nice. And then we have the last one in the row, Cup of Tea. This one I used in my look as well. It's like a lovely burnt orange. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, that is the first row. So now we have the second row, and my arms are all nice and clean. First of all, we have Grow Old. 1, 2. It's like a dark copper. Look, oh my, look how, like, can you see how pigmented that is? Like, that is pigmented. That is what you call pigmented. Now we have the shade Sparks Fly. Oh, this is like a pure gold. No, this is so gorgeous. The second row is probably my favourite, or I don't know, they're all my favourite. Then we have the shade Smoky Bronze. Hello, this is a smoky bronze, as it says. Oh, look. These are so pigmented. This is like proper, like high-end quality. The first row was a bit iffy, but look at this second row. I mean, so far, I've only done 3 shades and I'm loving it. Then we have the shade Mixed Berries. It's like a purple. Well, it is a purple. Oh, hello. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, no, please. This is so gorgeous. Then we have shade Tiramisu. Is that how you say it? This is a nice dark nudie colour. A bit patchy, that's right. And then lastly on this row we have shade Peaches. This is one I used in my look as well. Love it. This is row number 2, which is one of my favourites, I think. Now on to row 3. First of all, we have Cloudberry, which I don't know if this is a matte or a shimmer because I'm getting confused, but I think it's more of a matte. And oh, I like that. It fades out a bit, but it's not too big of a deal. And then we have shade Pumpkin. 1, 2, 3. This does not remind me of pumpkin. This is more red, but that's a bit confusing. Yeah, they are really pigmented, but they fade off a lot. Then we have the shade Pine Tree. This is like a dark green, very Christmassy. I wish I had this palette for Christmas Day. Like I did, but it was like, I got it at like 2 PM, so I'd already done my makeup way by then. I'm sorry, but that's just the best colour ever. Oh my god. Now we have shade Petrol, which is a blue, dark navy bluey kind. Like it's got a bit of grey toned in it as well. Oh, that is a holographic colour, I think. That really reminds me of the one out of Huda Beauty, that one. What's that called? Oh, what's it called? I don't know, but it reminds me of that. Then we have the shade Pug. Hello. That was a bit of a disappointment, but it's okay. And then lastly we have shade Danger. It's like a really deep dark red and it's really, wow, pigmented. I love this row. It's so beautiful. Now row 4, the last one. And lastly we have row 4. First of all, there is Strawberry Sweets. 1, 2, 3. It's a lovely strawberry colour, as it says. Wow, that is pigmented. That is pigmented. Then we have shade Festive Flame, and I love this one. Hello. This is so nice. Wow. Wow. Then we have shade Copper Coin. Hello. This is quite similar to the other shade, but it's really lovely. Then we have the shade Mug Cake. It's like a really brown shade. It's a bit patchy, but I really like it. Not the patchy bit. I like the shade. And then nearly last, we have Rosewood. I use this in my eyeshadow look. Pretty Little Liars. Yeah, it's quite patchy and a bit chalky. Then lastly, we have Nightmare, which is just a black. Whoa, and that is black. That is actually a really good black, I'm not gonna lie. And they are all the swatches. I love this palette. So now I'm going to be filming the first impressions of the Revolution Soph Does Nails palette. I don't really know. I've literally never used this and I'm really excited, but I don't know what colours I'm going to use because there's so many colours. I do struggle with palettes that have a lot of colours in because, like, what am I supposed to use? There's so many. But, I think I'm going to start with, which is called Cup of Tea. This one here. And I'm going to be taking that on my Spectrum B06 brush. I've already done my eyebrows, by the way. I'm going to be using the mirror on the palette. Nice. So I'm just going to go straight in. That is pigment. What? This is $9.99. Are you joking? This is so pigmented. Look. Can I just look? Hello. I'm so confused. Why do I just buy high-end palettes? I'm sorry, but you just shouldn't judge by a price. Wow, this is better than like my Sweet Peach palette. Okay, so I'm going to do the upper. Okay, so now I've done that on both eyes. I don't know what I'm going to take now. I think I'm so in love with this palette, by the way, if I haven't mentioned that 1,000 times. So I'm going to take the same brush because this is my favourite brush ever. And I'm going to take the shade, hang on, Pumpkin. Oh crap, there's my neighbour, Pumpkin. Pumpkin's that one there. So I'm going to take that. And then, whoa, that's way too pigmented. And when I'm saying it's way too pig, there's hardly any fallout as well. Like, can you see under my eyes? There's no fallout. And I'm going to blend this. Hang on, let me show you. Like here. Actually, I'm going to use a smaller brush. I'm going to take 12. Spectrum, do my favourite brushes. Now you can do it. And I'm going to take this, Pumpkin, and then do slight, like, put it just above the crease. Not above the crease. Like in the crease. The blending is just like, hello. And we're going to do that on the other eye. I love this palette. I think this could be my favourite palette, honestly. Like, Revolution, I never knew. Okay. Now I'm going to take a darker colour, Rosewood, and that's to do with Pretty Little Lies because I watched her video on this. And I love Pretty Little Lies. I'm going to be taking shade Rosewood, this brownish one. This could go wrong. I never hardly use dark shades, so look forward to this going wrong. Yeah, I'm going to use that other brush with the red still on it, the reddish colour that I just used, because then I'm going to add a little bit more, a bit risky. Basically what I'm doing is I'm trying to add a bit more dimension to my look. So I'm like blending in the inner bit and the outer bit, but not really in the middle or in the crease, just to add a bit more something to the look, to make it a bit more deeper, smokier, and a bit more interesting. I'm going to do that on the other eye and be right back. I feel like I've used enough mattes now, but I just can't get enough of this amazing palette. Alright, so now I'm going to be putting some glitters on, and oh god, there's so many glitters. What do I use? I might put one just in the middle. Or like the purple. Purple? Nah, not feeling it. I always use my NYX glitter glue, so I'm not going to not use it just because I'm testing it out, because that wouldn't be fair, because I use that whenever I use eyeshadow anyway. So technically that would not be fair. Right, I'm going to just clean this brush quickly. Right, so I'm going to put this NYX glitter glue on my brush, and I think I'm just going to use it in the middle. Yeah, I'm just going to put some of it in the middle because I don't want to put the glitter shade all over. But I'm going to show you. Like so, and then take my Spectrum, no, not that one. Then I'm going to take my Spectrum A13 brush again and place the shade Pink Champagne. I think that's to do with Ariana Grande, isn't it? I don't know, in the middle on with the NYX glitter glue. And then, how's that looking? And then to blend it in more with the look, I'm going to take that brush again with the darker one, the shade Rosewood, and blend. Yes! I'm going to do that on the other eye. Done that on both eyes now. So I'm going to do winged eyeliner, put some lashes on, and be right back. So now I've done my winged eyeliner, foundation, concealer. That's what I've done. And I always do this and this order. And then I'm going to go under my eye, in my, like under the eye bit. And I'm going to take my Real Techniques eyeliner brush. And I don't know what, I want to do like, just peaches. I'm going to use the shade Peaches, that one there. and go under my eye. I always love to do it this way so it joins like with the under the bit, if that makes sense. And that is it. So I'm going to do the other eye and then I'm going to be right back when I've done everything and then I can, yeah. Anyway, that is all for today's video about the Soph Times Revolution eyeshadow palette. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to be using this so much. I'm so in love. Also, my lashes are the Violet Voss limited edition Just Slaying lashes, and my lipstick is matte lipstick in shade Well. And my highlight is is it the Sweets Glow Kit or Sugar Glow Kit? I don't know. Is there even a Sweets Glow Kit? Don't think so. Anyway, yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more beauty, makeup, fashion-y kind of videos. I love you so much. Bye.